Welcome to Peaceful Core Meditations. Today, we'll be practicing loving kindness meditation, also known as Metta meditation. This beautiful, heart-centered practice helps you cultivate compassion, love, and kindness, not only toward yourself, but also toward others. It's a simple yet powerful way to nurture your well-being and create a sense of peace within. Take this time to focus on extending warmth and compassion, first to yourself and then to those around you. Let's begin. Metta is a Pali word that means loving kindness. It refers to an attitude of goodwill, friendliness, and compassion. Through metta meditation, we send out these feelings of kindness, first to ourselves, then to loved ones, and eventually to all beings. This practice reminds us that we are all connected through the shared experience of love and kindness. As you settle into this practice, know that it's okay if feelings of warmth or compassion don't arise right away. Be gentle with yourself, and trust that with time, these feelings will grow naturally. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and allow your body to relax. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. As you breathe in, invite a sense of calm into your body, and as you exhale, let go of any tension or stress you may be holding. Now, bring your attention inward. We'll start by sending loving kindness to ourselves. Often we are so focused on caring for others that we forget to offer ourselves the same compassion. But in order to fully extend kindness to others, we must first nurture ourselves. Begin by silently repeating these phrases to yourself, allowing the words to flow through your mind and heart. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I live with ease. As you repeat these phrases, truly feel their meaning. You are deserving of love, peace, and joy. Allow yourself to be bathed in the warmth of your own kindness, as if you're wrapping yourself in a soft, comforting blanket. Take your time here, letting these feelings of compassion settle in. Now, let's expand this circle of loving kindness. Bring to mind someone close to you, a loved one, a dear friend, or someone who has supported you. Picture them in your mind's eye and send them the same warmth and compassion. Silently repeat the phrases. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. Imagine this person receiving your kindness, feeling it in their heart, and being uplifted by it. Notice how it feels to offer love and compassion without expecting anything in return. This act of loving kindness connects us even in silence. Next, let's broaden our circle of compassion. Think of someone you may have a neutral relationship with, someone you see regularly but may not know well. It could be a coworker, a neighbor, or someone you encounter in your daily life. Offer them the same loving kindness. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. Notice any resistance that might arise and gently let it go. This meditation helps us extend kindness to all beings, no matter our relationship to them. Now, think of someone with whom you may have had difficulties or conflict. This can sometimes be the most challenging part of the practice, but it is also the most transformative. See this person in your mind and offer them loving kindness, knowing that we all experience suffering in different ways. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. With each repetition, soften any tension or resistance you may feel. Offering kindness, even in challenging situations, frees you from the weight of negativity and opens your heart to greater peace. Finally, extend this circle of loving kindness to all beings everywhere. Imagine the love and compassion radiating from your heart, touching everyone across the world, people, animals, and even the earth itself. Silently repeat, may all beings be happy. May all beings be healthy. May all beings be safe. May all beings live with ease. Feel this immense sense of connection with the world around you. The love you offer is limitless, and as you send it out, you also receive it in return. Let this feeling of warmth fill your heart and mind, creating a deep sense of peace. Take a few more deep breaths, letting the feelings of loving kindness settle in your body. Know that you can return to this practice anytime you need to reconnect with compassion, both for yourself and for others. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, bringing this sense of peace and warmth with you into the rest of your day. Thank you for practicing loving kindness meditation with us today. Metta meditation is a beautiful way to begin your day, inviting compassion into every moment. Remember, by offering love to yourself and others, you are contributing to a more peaceful and connected world. If you found this practice helpful, please subscribe to Peaceful Core Meditations for more guided practices that nurture your well-being. Start each day with love, compassion, and kindness. Namaste.